What's up, everyone? It's Louie, and it's Friday. We made it through the week again, and if it's Friday, it must be another episode of Filipino Fridays here on my channel. Now, on this episode, we will talk about and show you well-loved canned dish in the Philippines, sardines, and I wanted to show you a version that finally I got the time to make it, and hopefully you'll like it.
Sardines is a type of fish that's abundant, commercially caught, processed, and canned in many countries. Sardines is one food item that's popular and produced by several countries. There's Spain and Portugal, which are the prime source of good sardines, Canada, the US, England, France, India, Japan, Morocco, Norway, and Peru, to name a few. The sardines in the Philippines is a dish that's widely consumed by each household regardless of economic standing. In the Philippines, the importance of sardines is hard to deny. Sometimes sardines, whether fresh or canned, is used as the measure of the economy of the Republic. Canned sardine preparations also come in several forms. The most popular back in the Philippines is the type in a tomato-based sauce. In today's video, I'm making and sharing another homemade dish that combines both my favorite style sardine preparation and using milkfish or bangus, widely considered as the Philippines' national fish. And so for today's Filipino Friday, I am featuring Spanish Style Sardined Bangus. Just for clarity, and you may have noticed it already, I'm using the noun sardine into a verb, so we can describe the type of dish we are turning milkfish or bangus into. Well, alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's move on to the video in making sardine bangus.
There you have it, guys. Another Filipino dish and another well-loved Filipino ingredient on the table that I wanted to share with you. I hope you learned something new today. It is easy to make. All you need is basically milkfish, fresh from the fishmonger, a pressure cooker or a slow cooker. Make sure you have a lot of rice in hand. This promises a good meal ahead. If you like this video and anything that we put out on Acorn Hill, don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already for more features and more content coming up. Again, this is Louie coming from Acorn Hill, and we'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.